The term body check is borrowed from ice hockey and used much less rigorously than the theory of opposition, which is very strictly, almost mathematically defined. A body check is when the one king denies the other access to certain squares. It could even be used more freely. It doesn't have to be the king. But okay, here it is not necessary in the pawn endings, as for those cases it's mostly a fight of the kings, of course. So in Mamedyarov, Inakiev, European Club Cup, Rogaska Latina 2011, it is white to move and win. And white is to be very precise on, the body check plays a large role. So, king b4 is the only move to win, preparing the body checks. And now, depending on what black's king does, body check. And this is, of course, an opposition, but as the squares are no key squares, it doesn't fit. This is just a body check, so that black's king cannot cross over to the queen side. And black loses body check. After king e3, you already guessed it, body check. And finally, body check. And now it's not an opposition or whatever, it's just a body check. And the other position is, it's a coincidence that it's opposition, but I think the real reason from the theoretical point of view is that it is a body check. Because the opposition theory comes into place when there are three adjacent key squares, most often. So then the fight for the key squares is governed by opposition, or opposition is a special case of corresponding squares. Here, in this example, I think it is ruled by the theory of body checks. And this can be used very freely. Okay, so in the game, Inakiev played king e4, which was met by, the body check. And then white wins. And Inakiev resigned, not waiting for the next body check.